Believers are promised by Allah that they will be given paradise in the life after death. It shall be the greatest gift from their Lord for their good actions and their bowing to the will of their Creator at all times. Paradise will be given to those fortunate people who live good lives on earth. The Quran tells us in great detail what paradise will look like and who will be the people to live in its lush green gardens. The praises of Allah will be sung on all sides in the gardens of paradise. Only those who praise the Lord on earth will be fit to enter such a heaven. But how can one fit to enter paradise if one thinks of oneself or others as being great? The true believer is a flower of the garden of paradise. It sprouts in this world and blossoms in the hereafter. Paradise will be a place full of right actions. Only those who think rightly on earth will be able to enter such a heaven. Those who do bad deeds which cause ruin in this world cannot hope to enter paradise. Only those who stop themselves from doing vain and base things will be allowed to enter the heavenly home of paradise. Therefore, try your best for your Lord's pardon and for a paradise as vast as the heaven and earth, which was made for those who believe in Allah and His prophets. On the last day, the angel Jibrail and many other angels will stand up in their ranks. They will not speak unless their Lord permits. There shall be no idle talk, no lies, no sinful speech, only the greeting, peace, peace. The people of paradise shall be served with silver dishes and cups as large as goblets. Silver goblets which they themselves shall measure, and cups filled to the top with ginger flavored water from a fountain called Salsabil. They shall be attended by boys who will always be young, who to the one who looks on will seem like sprinkled pearls. When you gaze upon that scene, you will see a kingdom full of happiness and glory. The people of paradise shall rest on jeweled couches and carpets richly spread. Trees will spread their shade around them, and fruits such as dates and pomegranates will hang in bunches over them. Rivers will flow through the gardens, the fruits of which will all be within their reach. The people of paradise shall wear in garments of fine green silk and rich brocade, and have bracelets of silver on their arms. Their Lord will give them pure nectar to drink, and theirs shall be the dark-eyed houris, chaste as hidden pearls. This is the paradise which good people have been promised. There shall flow rivers of purest water and rivers of the clearest honey, rivers of milk forever fresh, and rivers of wine tasting sweet to those who drink it. Such wine will neither hurt their heads nor take away their reason. But the most blessed and thrilling thing to happen in paradise will be meeting with the Lord Himself. A face-to-face meeting, and the Lord will say to His good, righteous servants, O soul at peace, return to your Lord joyful and pleasing in His sight. Join my servants and enter my paradise.